Hey there, first graders. Today you are going to be making a frame around your paper with a simple shape in the middle. We're going to use this to experiment with warm and cool colors later, but we want to set up our paper so that we don't have to worry about it next week when you come back to art and we start painting. So let's get started. You're going to need a ruler and you're going to use a pencil, but I'm going to use my marker so that you can see my lines a little bit better. Now we're going to create a frame that goes around the perimeter of the square paper we have here using our ruler. So we're practicing making straight lines and we're trying to make our paper look nice and neat like it would be in a museum. So I'm going to set my ruler down at the bottom of my paper. It's not quite where it needs to be yet, so I'm going to pull it all the way down until I can't see the paper anymore. Then I'm going to use my helper hand in the middle of the ruler so that I don't let my ruler move. And I'm just going to make a line in the middle, leaving some space on both ends. Then I'm going to rotate my paper so that this side is now the bottom. I'm going to take my ruler, move it down, 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 down until I can't see my paper anymore. Set my helper hand, and then I can start over here where that line is and move across, but not going the whole way to the other side because I'm going to need that space for my frame. I'll go back and fix that later. Rotate again, get my ruler in its correct place, start near that line, go all the way across but not quite, leave a space, and rotate again. Move my ruler down, set my helper hand, and then go across to about where that one is. Now I'm going to go back and fix any spots that need to be fixed using my ruler. I'm not just using my pencil. So I'm lining up the ruler, going back and making my lines really nice and straight because that's what my goal is. I'm trying to make nice straight lines using my ruler. Very good. Now I'm ready to make my simple shape in the middle, and since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought it would be a good idea to do a heart. You also looked at Peter Max's artwork that had hearts in it, and a heart is a simple shape that everybody knows and recognizes, so it will be easy for people to understand your art because they can relate to it from that heart shape. So in the center of my frame, I'm just going to make a nice heart shape that does not touch the sides of my frame. So I have my frame around the perimeter, my heart shape in the middle, and then I have space all around the heart. Next, I'm going to flip my paper over, write my name in the corner. You pick which corner, it doesn't matter. And then you are ready to paint next art class using the warm colors and the cool colors.